To fly inside a certain world within Roblox, it's essential to note that it can be challenging to get there. But with persistence, it's achievable. Using a specific character, such as Poppy, is recommended, as it has been proven to work. The process begins at a garden view sign in the educational center and museum, where a small, flower-like object is located. To access this object, climb on top of it by sliding over from the right side and onto its head. Since jumping is not an option in this game, sliding is necessary. Once on top, the goal is to slide into nearby boxes, which contain invisible barriers that can be utilized to walk through the sky, giving the appearance of flying. These barriers are not visible during normal gameplay, but by getting onto the boxes, it's possible to access them. Walking on these invisible barriers will make it seem like you're flying, and it's a unique way to explore the world. Getting onto the boxes requires practice, as it's easy to fall down and fail. It's suggested to approach from the front, sliding over the object's hand to get back on top. With repeated attempts, it becomes easier to access the top of the object and eventually the boxes. After mastering this, it's possible to walk on the invisible barriers. But be prepared to start over if you fall, as you'll need to climb back up and try again. If you're able to successfully get onto the boxes and walk on the invisible barriers, you'll be able to show off your newfound ability to friends and take screenshots or videos as proof. This trick is not well known, so being able to do it is a notable achievement. With patience and practice, it's possible to fly inside the Roblox and explore the world in a unique way.